Hello and welcome to Positive Choice Virtual Bites. My name is Karen, and with me today, you can't see him because he's hiding back here, but back here is my son, Julian, and I'm going to make one of his absolute favorite recipes, and that is breakfast muffins, or snack muffins. And the wonderful thing about them is that he can help me make them. They can be filled with fun things that he likes, like chocolates, but also I get to add in things like spinach, kale, carrots, so that I know that he is getting some of those really helpful veggies in his breakfast or snack. So this is a very simple recipe. All you really need is a blender, a strong blender. We have a Vitamix today, which is wonderful, but if you don't have that, totally okay. So we are going to start with the wetter vegetable ingredients. So, who is this? Oh my goodness, my helper came. All right, so we're going to start out with the carrots, the mushed bananas, and the lettuce. Julian, do you think you could chop up some of these carrots for me? Oh yeah, he's good at this. All right, which knife would you like?
Big one.
All right, he's going to cut the big one. He's working on his knife skills now. Awesome. I love that. All right, so we're going to be putting, I'm going to take this off here. You can put the carrots in here. All right, what about these? Do you think these need to be cut up a little bit? That's a really thick carrot. Let's see. Mommy might help with that one. What do you think? Okay, so we have our carrots in here. Now we are going to add this kind of looks like basil, doesn't it? We love basil. This is actually kale and spinach. So we're just going to go ahead.
No, I don't want to.
Okay. Oh, actually, you know what? I think this is just kale. So we're going to put that in there. All right. Now it's time for the mushy bananas. Whoa, kablump. How does that look? Yeah, pretty funny, huh? Now we're going to do the eggs.
Crack them.
So we love cracking eggs in our family. Go ahead. All right. Nice. Mommy comes in to swoop at the end. Make sure that you don't get any shells in there. Yes. So Julian knows that after you touch raw egg, you have to wash your hands. He's really good at that. So we're going to take a break and go wash our hands. Okay, so our hands are nice and washed. And now we're going to add some more of those wet ingredients. So we have honey. You can also use maple syrup, but all we have is honey today. That is just fun to watch pour out. All right, every last little bit of that honey going in. And then I'm going to add in, this is coconut oil. You can also use avocado oil. Do you want to pour it in? He wants to pour in everything. Nice. All right. And then we have apple cider vinegar. We've got some vanilla. All right. Yay! So, wet ingredients in. Now it's time to put the top on.
Mix it.
And it is mixing time.
I'm going to move it over here so I'm not stuck.
Oh, okay. Moving it over. Relocate the stool. Okay. Are we ready?
Which one are we going to go to?
Let's see. What
10?
number should we go to?
10?
Let's try 10. All the way there. All right, and then can you push? So one thing we do in our family is while things are blending, we do a blender dance. Get a few little exercise bits in there. All right, let's take this off. Now it's time to put in dry ingredients. You can come back over here. We're relocating. Okay. So we've got our flour. This is white whole wheat flour. So you're getting, it's all right if you spill. That's part of the fun of cooking. Got some. Oh, that was cocoa. And now we have cinnamon. And then we're doing our baking soda and baking powder. Oh, the joy of cooking show prep. Okay, so we need the 1/4, the smaller one. Which one looks smaller? Yep, that's right. Okay. So what we're going to do.
Am I just going to stick that
How about, yeah, well, I'm going to pour it in. So can you hold this?
Hold that.
Hold that. Do you want to be the one who pours it? Okay, how about I hold it and you pour? All right. Then you want to put that in? Okay. All right. One more blending.
And then we'll.
Let's just add it in right now. Make it easy peasy. So we like to put chocolate chips in here. You don't need to. I will say, in our family, we use the darkest of the dark chocolate, and it is loved. So you get that.
1, 2, 3.
All right, it looks ready to me.
Good.
Okay.
It looks like you.
It does look like goo. All right. So now we are ready to put the goo into the muffin tin. All right, so a fun thing for kids to do too is to pick out which muffin little holders that they would like. What did you pick out today, Julian?
Rainbow.
Yeah, so much fun. So all we do is we take
That out.
this and then we pour the muffin goo into the muffins tins. All right, we did it. So now we are going to go put this in the oven, bake it for about 20 minutes. All right, there we go.
And the microwave's over there.
There we go. So Julian and I worked together. We baked the muffins, and we want to show you the finished product. Ta-da! Here they are. They are tasty, delicious muffins. And the cool thing about these is that you can put in whatever your heart desires. So sometimes we put in more vegetables. Last time I put in tons and tons of kale. You can put in oats. You can put in, what else can you put in, Joel? Nuts. That's right. So many good things. And it's a family favorite. Want to take a bite?
Yeah.